di minus sinunod. Angkan ko. Angkan.
Itakin mo.
Gonte.
Ano ni mo?
Number 14, Marvin Abrahano, and number 10, Jerome Magabasa. Asador. This is the championship game of the juniors division. Nino. Okay, para pagi ka mga sakariat.
This is a championship game between Barangay Pangkamitan and Barangay Baras. Number 4 recovers the ball. Number 8 moving side, wala, battle for the rebound, picks up by number 10. So number 5, Barangay Baras now is in position. So number 3, nag-take umatas against number 4, bounce pass. Running jumper short, it picks up some miss, but intercepted by number 4. Number 4, bounce pass to number 2. Backs again to number 4. To number 2 again, slides the middle, pinasa sa number 14, running pass. He steps at the baseline. Number 10 bounding to number 5. This is a championship game between Barangay Baras and Barangay Pangkamitan. Number 3, Lebadi shot. Yes, for 2. It was the opening salvo. Next hit by number 3. Running score is 2-0. Number 4, and quarter court to number 4. Slice at the middle. Pass it to number 14. 14, Dumangga. Maitito. Offensive foul committed by number 14. First personal foul of Abrahano, the first team foul of Pangkamitan. Number 5, shaping out the play, directing the play to number 3. Number 2, right quarter court against number 8. Close to the ball, takes up number 11 to number 5. Number 12! My foul. There's a blocking foul. Foul on number 4. Blocking foul. Don't free throws for number 12. First for number 12. What I can do that three. Baiklah, pag Maloy labang naman nagsunod na siya lagi ha. Second to number 12. Wala. Rebound by number 14. Long pass to number 8. Number 2 versus the handle. Okay. Number 5 inbounding to number 12. The director number 5 now brings the ball down. One score is nothing against 2. Number 10. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 ngayon nagmamara lead. Running to, pinasa sa numero 7. Numero 7, apolating pa sa number 14. Number 10, blocked by number 12. Number 3, blocked by number 8. 2. Number 4, slice down the middle. Hindi pumasok, pero may foul. Wow, number 3. Eclipsing.
1 minute and 53 seconds.
Running time is 3 minutes and 53 seconds. So free throws number 4. Second try for number 4. Wala pa rin. Takes up by number 2. Number 2 moves inside. Number 14. Acrobatic shot. Hindi pumasok ang tira. Rebound by number 12. Number 12 loses the ball. He picks up the ball. Pass it to number 5. Crossing down the middle. At the 3 points territory. Number 2. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Lost ball picks up by number 2. Number 2 nagmamadali. Slice down the middle. Using the ball for 2 to equalize the score. The score is tied up 2. Baras is in position number 5. Top of the key. Looks for an open man. To number 3, short jumper. Wala. Rebound by number 4 to number 2. Number 2 ngayon nagmamadali. There's a contact. Foul number 3. Ang sudlo. Ayaw na ito. Ulit tayo yan. Pagkawas. Mag-unong ka mo. Okay. Third free throws for number 2 is coming up. First throw to number 2. Anemic siya.
Ang kapili din ito. Number 2. Hello? Number 2.
No second try for number 2.
Kailan tawag dito?
Wala. Battle for the rebound. Picks up by number 2. Malakas ang tira. Number 12 for the rebound. Number 12 na nagpapaba ng bola. Moves inside. Blocked by number 11 pero may foul sa ilalim. Foul number 14. 2 free throws.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul number 14. Third team foul. Pagnamitan.
2 minutes and 53 seconds.
Yes, using the word. 1 point for number 12.
Tapos out naman yung
Yan.
Number 10 again. Wala. Rebound by number 11 to number 14. Abrahano moves inside. Nakagaw ulit ang blow. 14 takes up the lost ball to number 4. Number 4 to number 2. Number 2. Wala. Rebound by number 14. He moves outside. 14. Intercepted by number 10. Long pass number 5. 5 steps ahead at inibaded. Easy basket. Ball out ng blow. Running score, 5 against 2. 3 points advantage para ang Lebaras. Number 2, Umatras making some signals. Bounce pass number 12. Number 12, back again to number 2. Number 2, in and out, rebound by number 10. Iba na ang matangkad.
2 minutes.
Number 10, pass it to number 5. Against number 2. Number 3, moves inside, acrobatic pass, hindi tumama sa board, last touch on Baras. Number 23, Prince Territory, ilog pass number 2, tumira ng 3, wala, rebound, number 3, Nick Lexi. There's a whistle, foul number 3. Substitution. Tawaga, pagkawas.
Anot nga rin?
1 minute and 38 seconds. Number 5 to number 3. Number 3, sinasa sa ilalim. Yes, nagabuhan. Loses the ball for 2. 7 against 2. Number 4, top out the key. They're down by 5 points.
Position is blow. Okay, Paul. Di balik ko yung
Number 4 to number 2, moves inside. To number 8, goes in the board, malakas, battle for the reward. Push up to number 11, to number 5. Number 5, nagpapapa ngayon ng bola. Tapos K to number 11.
1 minute.
11, he moves outside. Number 12, bingo for 2. 50 segundos. Number 2, looks for an open one to number 5. Number 5. Number 2, cutting down the middle to number 8, to number 11. Last touch.
10 seconds.
Substitution, blow.
15 shot clock. 15 shot clock.
15 to shoot. Substitution, number 8. Okay, number 2 to number 4.
10 to shoot.
Number 4 to number 11, wala. Iwan by number 11, makabuhat. To number 5,
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Number 12, my fault. First from by number 12. Second to number 12, wala. Battle for number 7. Number 7, moves inside, hindi pumasok ang pera, gawa ng rebound, picks up by number 2. Number 10, pass it to the ringman. Number 7, yes! Number 7, hindi pumasok, may foul. Foul.
Pag imuyas yan, anak ng dati. Okay. Yan imuyas yan, anak ng dati.
Yes, number 7. Foul, number 7. Number 10, Eclipse. Paano mo wala? Walang nganit sa mut ng ano.
Video ito eh. Para di kayo kalimtan.
Number 2. Number 4, picks up the loose ball. Number 2, Tapolotic pass. Wala. Number 3.
Uy, kaya ka pwede. Bukas na. Guys! 3 point! Oy, ay laro, dalawa!
Bola, pagnamitan.
Ilan na pa, basta pa! Ato ako, ato!
Number 4, number 2, number 4, and number 14.
15 to shoot.
Number 1 to number 2.
kinabayo. Lahat kinabayo.
Last round for 2. Number 7, yes. Number 5, number 1, Pano picks up the score. Number 7. Number 2. Wala, battle for the lead, ang sasapat number 12 by foul. Abrahano, look at 3, personal foul. Number 12 to number 3. Number 3, top of the case, shaping up the plate. Inside, almost loses the ball. Nako, habang nalihan number 4. Number 4 na naman ulit. Number 5. Number 12 by Shakil Losbol. Number 4. Number 4 to number 10, nakabasag. Taring pass to number 4, nakpick. Number 14, offset side, nakulapit side, hindi pumasok. Number 14. Number 5. Last touch and flow.
Nakalat mo doy! Nakalat sa gitna! Nakalat mo sa doon! Naslap! Nakalat mo doy!
Number 7, intercepted by number 5. Ito, naglakanay. Number 4. May sumabit pa. Foul number 5. Third breakers for number 4. Third breakers for number 4. Wala. Second throw, yes.